Trying to join Bluesky on your PC but can't find an invite code? I'll show you the easiest way to request one directly from your browser. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your PC and navigate to the Bluesky website. Once the homepage loads, click the Sign Up button, which will take you to the registration page. On this page, look for an option labeled Request Invite and click it. A form will appear prompting you to enter your email address. Carefully type in a valid email and submit the request. You should see a confirmation message on the page indicating that your invite request has been received. Next, open your email client or webmail and check your inbox for a message from Bluesky. Make sure to also check your spam or junk folder, as some emails might get filtered there. Once you receive the invite code, you can use it to complete your registration on the Bluesky website. Once you receive your Bluesky invite code, you can sign up and start exploring the platform right from your PC. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.